最近、フェス会場の入場ゲートを映した映像を見ていて、まだ音が鳴る前の静かな空気が印象に残りました。今年のフジロックフェスティバル2026は、開催前から大きな注目を集めています。チケットは予定枚数に達し、主催者も例年以上の反響があったことを伝えています。その理由の一つとして、多くの人が期待を寄せている出演者の存在があります。その中でも、藤井風さんが初めてフジロックのステージに立つことは、多くの音楽ファンにとって特別な出来事になりました。これまで国内外の大型フェスや海外公演を経験してきた藤井さんですが、日本を代表する野外フェスへの初出演には、また違った意味があります。同じ会場には XG をはじめ、国内外から幅広いアーティストが集まり、それぞれ異なる音楽が一つの場所で交わります。フジロックは出演者だけではなく、自然の中で音楽を楽しむ空間そのものが評価されてきました。山の景色や川の流れ、天候までもがライブの一部になり、その日だけの空気を作ります。だからこそ、どんな演出よりも、その場で生まれる時間が記憶に残るのかもしれません。藤井風さんがどんなセットリストを選び、どんな表情で初めてのステージに立つのかは、実際に幕が開くまでわかりません。でも、初出演という事実だけでも、多くの人が今年のフジロックを特別なものとして受け止めています。音楽が新しい場所と出会う瞬間には、いつも少しだけ予想できない面白さがあります。その時間を楽しみに待っている人が、今年はいつも以上に多いように感じます。
The excitement surrounding the 2026 Fuji Rock Festival has reached an extraordinary level, and one day in particular has captured everyone's attention long before the gates open. Saturday tickets disappeared, completely selling out months ahead of the festival. Such an early sellout is unusual for the major outdoor event where fans are typically waiting for their we're up schedules, making plans this year, however, demands surges almost immediately. One of the biggest reasons is that festival debut of Fuji Kaze. Organizers have openly acknowledged that his appearance become one of the strongest attractions in this year's lineup. Alongside global success girl group XG, he generated remarkable interest for both domestic and international audience, helping create unprecedented moment for ticket sale. Fuji Kaze will perform on festival famous green stage, the largest performance area of Fuji Rock, surrounded by forests and mountains. Is known for the gathering tens of thousands of music lovers in a setting unlike the traditional concert venue. Fans spread across the hillside, sharing the atmosphere, and artists before perform beneath the open sky. For many listeners, Kaze's soulful vocals and impressive piano playing seem perfectly suited to the environment. Festival organizers have also emphasized the most important the building of musical journey throughout each day rather than representing isolated performance. Saturday schedules reflect the philosophy of the connecting artists by different genre into the continuous flow, allowing audience to move naturally from one performance to the next. Kaze blend to pop, jazz, and R&B, soulful, and complementarily first comfortable with the diverse musical landscape. Interest in this festival has spread all over the well beyond Japan. Social media conversation now appear on the multiple language with overseas fans discussing travel plans, sharing excitement, celebrating the opportunity to see the Fuji Kaze and XG on the same day. International media has also highlighted that it is very important moment for all the Japanese artists to gain stronger recognition on the global stage. Of course, Fujikaze is famous not for his only music, for his unpredictable mountain weather, and yet many festival groovers believe that these changing conditions are part of experience, creating unforgettable moments and memories alongside the performance. As the opening weekend approaches, expectations continue to grow both beneath bright blue skies or drifting mountain mist. Fujikaze's first appearance at Fuji Rock promised to become one of the defining moments of the 2026 festival, reflecting both his artistic journey and increase of the global reach of Japanese music.